Number 1 machine fly. Target muscle chest, front shoulder and tricep. Sit on the machine with back supported and keeping the both feet on the ground. Keeping your elbows slightly bended, hold the handle of the machine, then pull the handle together and bring it in front of your chest, then hold it for 1 second and then slowly stretch the chest muscle bringing the handle to the fly position and again take the handle forward to the starting position. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Number 2 flat bench dumbbell press. Target the entire chest muscle as well as the tricep and shoulder muscle. Lean flat on the bench holding a dumbbell in each hand. In this you press the dumbbell upward until your entire arms become straight and squeeze the chest muscle. Then stretch the chest muscle by lowering the dumbbell down to the starting position with control form. You can perform this exercise easy with dumbbell. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Number 3 decline dumbbell press. Target muscle lower portion of the chest, anterior deltoid and tricep. In this your form will be exactly like the flat bench dumbbell press. Only you have to perform it by setting the bench in declined position. In this also press the dumbbell upward until your entire arms become straight and squeeze the lower chest muscle. Then with control, lower the dumbbell to the side of your lower chest. Then press them back to the starting position. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 4 highest to low cable fly. The main focus of this exercise is to reduce the fat of the lower chest muscle and give the entire chest muscle wide and good shape. Attach the handle to the upper lock on the both sides of the cable machine and stand in the center of the machine. Keeping the elbow slightly bended, hold the handle with both hands and then pull the handle down and together in front of you while squeezing the chest muscle. Then hold it for 1 second and stretch the lower chest muscle by slowly moving the handle to the fly position. Perform 3 sets and 12 to 15 reps. Target muscle upper chest. First of all set the adjustable bench on incline lock. Then hold the dumbbell in both hands as per your strength and lean down on the bench with back supported. Start with your arms extend above your chest. With control form, slowly lower the dumbbell to the side of the chest and together press the dumbbell upward and squeeze the upper chest muscle. To maintain proper form, perform this exercise with the lightweight dumbbell. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Number 6 bodyweight dips. This is a compound bodyweight exercise that target the chest, tricep and shoulder muscle. Hold the parallel bar with your arms fully extend and your body straight while maintaining the balance of the entire body. Bend your elbow and move your body downward until your upper arms become the parallel to the ground and then push yourself back to the starting position by squeezing the chest muscle and straightening your arms. Do 3 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions.